Overview of Cornell University. Cornell University is a private institution that was founded in 1865. It has a total undergraduate enrollment of 15,182, its setting is rural, and the campus size is 745 acres. It utilizes a semester-based academic calendar. Cornell University's ranking in the 2020 edition of Best Colleges is National Universities, number 17. Its tuition and fees are $57,222. Cornell University, located in Ithaca, New York, has more than 1,000 student organizations on campus, which range from the Big Red Marching Band to the International Affairs Society. First-year students live together on the North Campus, and the university has housing options for upperclassmen and graduate students, though many choose to live off campus. Cornell has a thriving Greek life, with more than 60 fraternity and sorority chapters. Cornell has 35 NCAA Division I varsity teams that compete in the Ivy League. The Cornell Big Red are well known for their successful men's lacrosse and men's wrestling teams. The school also has a strong ice hockey program. Each of Cornell's 7 undergraduate colleges and schools admits its students and provides its faculty, even though every graduate receives a degree from Cornell University. Cornell's 2 largest undergraduate colleges are the College of Arts and Sciences and the College of Agriculture and Life Sciences. Its graduate schools include the highly ranked S.C. Johnson Graduate School of Management, College of Engineering, Law School and Weill Cornell Medical College. Cornell is also well known for its top-ranked College of Veterinary Medicine and the highly esteemed School of Hotel Administration. One of Cornell's oldest traditions is Dragon Day, during which a dragon built by first-year architecture students is paraded through campus. Notable alumni include U.S. Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, author E.B. White and Bill Nye, the Science Guy. School mission and unique qualities. Cornell is a private Ivy League university, the federal land-grant institution of New York State, and a partner of the State University of New York. It has been described as the first truly American university because of its founder's revolutionary egalitarian and practical vision of higher education and is dedicated to its land-grant mission of outreach and public service. Its mission is to discover, preserve, and disseminate knowledge, produce creative work, and promote a culture of broad inquiry throughout and beyond the Cornell community. Cornell also aims, through public service, to enhance the lives and livelihoods of our students, the people of New York, and others around the world. Cornell is committed to excellence, diversity and inclusion, openness, and collaboration. These values are at the center of Cornell as an institution. Renowned for its distinctive mix of eminent scholarship, academic rigor and commitment to public service, it attracts more than 20,000 students from every state in the Union and more than 120 countries. They learn from a world-class faculty teaching more than 4,000 courses and participate in cutting-edge research in its colleges and schools. Students have access to more than 100 fields of study, many of which provide opportunities for learning and engagement that span the state, the nation, and the world. With campuses in Ithaca, New York City, and Doha, Qatar, Cornell creates a unique atmosphere for research, teaching, and public engagement. Cornell's breadth of study, ranging from legendary programs in the humanities to world-class interdisciplinary research centers in nanotechnology, biotechnology, supercomputing, and genomics, sets it apart from its Ivy League peers. As the land-grant University of New York State, Cornell also boasts the nation's first schools devoted to hotel administration, industrial and labor relations, and veterinary medicine. In 2011, Cornell was awarded the opportunity to create a new graduate school for information technology in New York City. Cornell NYC Tech is training the student entrepreneurs who will drive the 21st century's digital transformation of publishing, advertising, news and information, and entertainment. In recent years, Cornell has been aggressively expanding its international programs, from the establishment, in 2001, of the Weill Cornell Medical College in Qatar, the first American medical school outside of the United States, to the forging of partnerships and collaborations with major institutions in China, India, and Singapore, further supporting Cornell's status as the transnational university of the future. 2020 rankings. Cornell University is ranked number 17 in national universities. Schools are ranked according to their performance across a set of widely accepted indicators of excellence. This school's questions and answers US News has a community of students, alumni, staff, and others who can provide additional insight into Cornell University. When applying to Cornell University, it's important to note the application deadline is January 2nd, and the early decision deadline is November 1st. The application fee at Cornell University is $80. Scores for either the ACT or SAT test are due January 1st. It is most selective, with an acceptance rate of 11%. For more information about the tests, essays, interviews and admissions process, visit the Applying to College Knowledge Center. Academic life. The student-faculty ratio at Cornell University is 9:1, and the school has 56.8% of its classes with fewer than 20 students. The most popular majors at Cornell University include engineering, business, management, marketing, and related support services, biological and biomedical sciences, agriculture, agriculture operations, and related sciences, and computer and information sciences and support services. The average freshman retention rate, an indicator of student satisfaction, is 97%. Student life. Cornell University has a total undergraduate enrollment of 15,182, with a gender distribution of 47% male students and 53% female students. At this school, 52% of the students live in college-owned, operated or affiliated housing and 48% of students live off campus. In sports, Cornell University is part of the NCAA. Cost and financial aid. At Cornell University, 47% of full-time undergraduates receive some kind of need-based financial aid, and the average need-based scholarship or grant award is $42,228. Paying for college doesn't have to be difficult or devastating. Go to the Paying for College Knowledge Center to get advice on raising cash and reducing costs, or use the US News 529 Finder to choose the best tax-advantaged college investment account for you. Campus safety. Campus safety data were reported by the institution to the U.S. Department of Education and have not been independently verified. The numbers for criminal offenses reflect reports of alleged offenses to campus security and/or law enforcement authorities, not necessarily prosecutions or convictions. Experts advise prospective students and their families to do their own research to evaluate the safety of a campus as well as the surrounding area. Campus services. Cornell University offers a number of student services, including non-remedial tutoring, women's center, placement service, daycare, health service, health insurance. Cornell University also offers campus safety and security services like 24-hour foot and vehicle patrols, late-night transport escort service, 24-hour emergency telephones, lighted pathways, sidewalks, controlled dormitory access, key, security card, etc. Alcohol is permitted for students of legal age at Cornell University.